Greetings students. Today we are going to learn about one of Korea's leading company, Hyundai Motor. Most of us must have heard the name of the company, Hyundai Motor Company. Let us know this company in a much better way. The Hyundai Motor Company is a South Korean multinational automaker headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. The company was founded in 1967 and along with its 32.8% owned subsidiary, Kia Motors together comprise the Hyundai Motor Group, which is the world's fifth largest automaker based on annual vehicle sales in 2012. In 2008, Hyundai Motor without Kia was ranked as the 8th largest automaker. As of 2012, the company sold over 4.4 million vehicles worldwide in that year, and together with Kia, total sales were 7.12 million. Hyundai operates the world's largest integrated automobile manufacturing facility in Ulsan, South Korea, which has an annual production capacity of 1.6 million units. The company employs about 75,000 people worldwide. Hyundai vehicles are sold in 193 countries through some 6,000 dealerships and showrooms. Chung Joo-hong founded the Hyundai Engineering and Construction Company in 1947. Hyundai Motor Company was later established in 1967. The company's first model, the Cortina, was released in cooperation with Ford Motor Company in 1968. When Hyundai wanted to develop their own car, they hired George Turnbull, the former managing director of Austin Motors at British Leyland. He in turn hired 5 other top British car engineers. They were Kenneth Burnett, a body design engineers, John Simpson and Edward Chapman, John Crosswaite, ex-BRM as chassis engineer, and Peter Slater as chief development engineer. And the Excel was nominated as Best Product 10 by Fortune magazine, largely because of its affordability. The company began to produce models with its own technology in 1988, beginning with the mid-size Sonata. In the spring of 1990, aggregate production of Hyundai automobiles reached the 4 million mark. In 1991, the company succeeded in developing its first proprietary gasoline engine, the 4-cylinder Alpha, and also its own transmission, thus paving the way for technological independence. In 1996, Hyundai Motor India Limited was established with a production plant in Irungatu Kothai near Chennai, India. September 2011, Yang Swin-suk announced his retirement as CEO of Hyundai Motor Corporation. In the interim replacement period, Chung Mong-koo and Kim Hok-zo will divide the duties of the CEO position. Hyundai has 6 centers worldwide located in Korea, 3 offices, Germany, Japan and India. Additionally, there is an American design center in California that develops design for US markets. In 1998, after a shake-up in the Korean auto industry caused by over-ambitious expansions and the Asian financial crisis, Hyundai acquired a rivaled Kia Motors. In 2000, the company established a strategic alliance with Daimler Chrysler and severed its partnership with the Hyundai Group. In 2001, the Daimler-Hyundai Truck Corporation was formed. In 2004, however, Daimler Chrysler divested its interest in the company by selling its 10.5% stake for $900 million. Hyundai has invested in manufacturing plants in North America, India, the Czech Republic, Pakistan, China and Turkey, as well as research and development centers in Europe, Asia, North America and the Pacific Rim. In 2004, Hyundai Motor Company had $57.2 billion in sales in South Korea, making it the country's second largest corporation or symbol. Worldwide sales in 2005 reached 25,33,695 units, an 11% increase over the previous year. In 2011, Hyundai sold 4.05 million cars worldwide, and the Hyundai Motor Group was the world's 4th largest automaker behind GM, Volkswagen and Toyota, a distinction it earned when it surpassed Ford Auto Group in 2009. In 2006, Hyundai hired Thomas Borley as head of the company's design center in Russelsheim, Germany. Burkhardt had previously worked for BMW, having designed the 3 Series sedan and wagon and the 6 Series. Hyundai's current design philosophy is known as a fluidic sculpture, which is heavily inspired by nature. On 23 April 2008, Hyundai Motor announced the beginning of a 5-year project to turn 50 km² of infertile land into grassland by 2012. Hyundai is doing so with the help of the Korean Federation for Environmental Movement KFEM. The project, named Hyundai Green Zone, is located 660 km north of Beijing. The goal of the project is to end the recurring dust storms in Beijing, block desertification, and protect the local ecosystem. Local weeds will be planted in the region that have the ability to endure sterile, alkaline soil. This is the first environmental project of the company's social contribution program. Hyundai also made electric car concept i10 recently. Hyundai Motor plans to aid Chevron Corporation in the construction of up to 6 hydrogen fueling stations that will be located in California, including location at the University of California, Davis and the Hyundai America Technical Center in Chino. Hyundai is going to provide a collection of 32 Tucson fuel cell vehicles which are powered by UTC fuel cell power plants. The Live Brilliant global brand campaign started in 2012. That campaign will be an extension of the modern premium way of thinking that Hyundai adopted as part of their new brand direction. The goal was to seek to deliver the company's aspiration to make each and every moment a customer spends with Hyundai a moment of happiness filled with brilliant memories. In 2008, Hyundai Motors established a committee to oversee its corporate social responsibility program. Among the program's initiatives have been the Happy Move Global Youth Volunteers Program. The Hyundai Motors India Foundation HMIF has invested more than 20 million rupees in various corporate social responsibility programs in India. In 2011, it started the Go Green Village Adoptions project in Tamil Nadu. Its aim was to promote environmentally friendly products, increase the forest cover in Tamil Nadu, and improve living and hygiene conditions in the region's villages. A number of schools have been adopted for improvement, with the HMIF donating around 450 benches to government schools and drilling 10 bore wells. After an investigation in 2012, the EPA found that 35% of all 2011 to 13 Hyundai and Kia vehicles had inflated fuel economy numbers by as much as 6 miles per gallon. Currently, Hyundai and Kia have started a reimbursement program for the owners of the 2011-13 affected vehicles. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of Hyundai Motor Company. We went through the company's history to its present market scenario. Hope you must have got useful information about the company. Have a good day. Goodbye.